Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today it is Amla shorba. Let's begin the recipe. To a mixie jar, I'm going to add in amla, chopped tomatoes, green chilli, red chilli, pudina leaves, peppercorn and jeera. Without adding water, I'm going to blend this. I have ready here the finely pasted one. In a pan for seasoning, I'm going to add ghee, some jeera, methi seeds, now it's crackling. I'm going to add in hing and few curry leaves. To this, I'm going to add in the paste which I made right now. I will just saute it for a minute. I'm going to pour in the water. And salt to taste. Now this is boiling well. I'll turn it off and it's ready to serve. Amla shorba ready to drink. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right.